Hello, I'm Nimade Yudantini. I'm from Architecture Department, Udayana University. My article today is with the title Traditional Concept Toward Sustainable Built Design in Bali. Okay, for the introduction, we know the Bali is one of a famous destination that has beautiful landscape, culture, tradition, and architecture. There are two culture in Bali that derive from influence Majapahit. The first one, they don't have influence, they call Bali Aga, and the second one Bali Apanaga. So in this both of the villages, they have a very unique building housing. They just have small unit of building. Okay, the uniqueness of traditional concept implementation into the traditional housing for the sustainable build design. This is my research hypothesis. So next, for the literature review, I study for the quality of environment that according to Keller's, the quality environment depend on the life of the people. So they have three characteristics that the condition of the individuality, multidimensional concept including education, housing condition, employment, work-life balance, access to the public service and interaction. The third one is people living condition and with their attitude in the society. Okay, next for the Bali traditional concept, mostly we have Trihitakarana concept that means the relationship between human into their God, and human into the nature. So that this concept implement into the small detail of the building, like pillars, and then into building, into the villages pattern, into the villages or building pattern and regional pattern. Next, there are many scholars that have already studied about Bali Aga and Bali Apanaga, such as Ritter, such as Gregor Cross, Koparibias, and the latest one is Carol Morates study 25 Bali Aga across the Bali in the 4 area of Bali. Next, there are differentiation between Bali Aga and Bali Apanaga. In Bali Aga, mostly the housing call it traditional housing call it Tampuroras or Sakaros because it has 12 pillars, and also they have linear pattern for the village and housing pattern. Meanwhile, Bali Apanaga they have compound pattern or chatuspada or grid. In the traditional governance, Bali Aga has Hulu Apat or Hulu Apat system, meanwhile Bali Apanaga they have a vertical system. In the wedding ceremony, Bali Aga they celebrate mass wedding, and Bali Apanaga only just like common wedding like now. In the cremation system, Bali Aga they don't burn the corpse but only buried the corpse. Bali Aga also celebrate Musaba Desa. And the kasta system, Bali Aga is don't have kasta like in Bali Apanaga. Bali Apanaga, all the Bali Apanaga they use kasta system. In the language also, Bali Aga don't have like a leveling in the language. Like Apanaga they adopt leveling of language. Next, the method mostly a qualitative research. So we can see Pinggan village for my case study, and then Pasar City. Okay, next. Okay, here is the finding and discussion. So for the Bali Aga, I choose Pinggan village, just a random selection from this research. Just for example, we can see the pattern here is linear. In one unit housing, they contain of maybe 5 until 12 housing or householders. In the Utama area, they have temple, family temple, and the Madhya in the middle, they have housing. Here is the Sakororas, and then the Nista, they have like a service like for bathing and livestock also. Okay, that's for Bali Aga pattern and housing. And we continue for the Bali Apanaga. I choose Denpasar city because it's a Denpasar also they live in heterogeneous activity and people in there. So mostly Bali Apanaga they have compound pattern. Here is a several building, or at least they have 4 building in the one unit housing. So in the center they have nata, and also they have nata also function for ceremony, gathering together, and also for the disaster risk function. So let's see now for the discussion. Okay, sustainable build design environment. So here in from the picture we can see the construction of traditional building is resistant from the earthquake, and also the traditional building also as identity, and from the each building they have distance that has function for the airflow and also for the avoid fire risk. And surrounding from the building planted the vegetation that has aesthetic function and barrier from the air and sunlight. The nata also as a central point meeting for the security during the earthquake. So it can conclude the traditional concept of housing is a sustainable build design that can prevent the risks of disaster and sustainable of the condition. Okay, that's my presentation. So I can conclude now from my study that both Bali Aga and Bali Apanaga housing use the traditional concept of architecture. This concept has been adopted from generation to generation. The Bali Aga that did not have influence from the Majapahit period, they have Sakaroras and Bali Paten to for their traditional housing. Meanwhile, Bali Apanaga, they have compound pattern. So from the value from the research that can be learned, it's very important to maintain our traditional concept to implement into the building to conserve the tradition and quality of architecture norms. The traditional concept implementation ensure the disaster risk for sustainable build design of traditional buildings. So also for cultural identity, especially for traditional architecture. Okay, here is some references that I use for my research. That's around 40. Okay, so thank you. That's all my presentation. Thank you.